back to my channel. Shawna here, and I'm here for another unboxing. This time it is Trunk Club. Before I start, I've got a headache, and so I'm gonna try and keep my energy up, but the smoke, I don't know if you guys, if you're in a place that it's smoky, but here in Seattle it's terrible, and I had to go run some errands, and now I've had a headache ever since, even though I had my mask on. So I'm a little low energy, but I'll try to keep it pumped up. Number two, before I start, is when I was working my shift at Ever Eve, the cutest thing happened. One of the lovely ladies that watches the channel said hi to me, and she recognized me from my videos, and it was so fun. It totally made my day. Anne-Marie, you are amazing. Your sense of style is absolutely fabulous. Thanks so much. It was so awesome. It really, really made my day. Okay, all of that aside, as you know, everything in Trunk Club, they pack individually. And so I'm gonna open it up and put on the whole first outfit, and I'll be right back. Okay, here is the first outfit, and the plum sweater is super cute. It's really, really soft. I love the V-neck. It's high-low. So I paired it with these Moto Spanx. What do you think? I want to love them. I want to love them because they look so cute on everybody, but I feel like a fraud in them. I feel like I'm trying to be like hardcore or a tough mama. I don't know. I just don't know if they're me. I'm like chill cash mom, and these, I don't know if I can pull them off. I love them. I like the look of them. I love the idea of them. I just don't think I can do it. I know, I really like it. Okay, so let me show you the shoes, and they are adorable as well. They have a little wedge in them, but not much at all. They're Steve Madden's. The wedge is only like about here. So they're not tall at all. They're really comfortable, super cute, suede. I have a pair that are by Pablo, and they are sold them at Nordstrom's, and they're like a light gray, and they are so cute. So I already have a pair of them, but these are really super adorable and comfy. So, all right, let me try on the next outfit. I'll be right back. Okay, here's the next outfit, and I'm kind of digging on this jacket. It's like a linen, sage or olive linen, or I don't know, maybe it's linen, I don't know. But it's pretty cute. It's kind of short. The back has cute gathering and has fun little ties and stuff like that. Like this, I think this is really cute. I think it's by Treasure and Bond. Okay, I do like the jacket. Now let's go to the shirt. Free people, you still get me. Not get me in a good way. You get me in, I don't understand what size this is. Okay, so I've said this in other videos, is Free People's cuts are always just really weird. So this is the cut of this shirt. It's kind of longer in the back, rounded hem, shorter in the front, even if I drop it down lower, so it's not quite, you know, different lengths. But check out these sleeves. Is this cute? Because my daughter thought it was really cute, and I thought, well, maybe with a pair of skinny jeans I would like it more. But then I feel like I'd always be like, bra hanging out. It's all flopping all over the place. It's just, Free People is always just, something's off. Like I want to like it, but it's weird. Okay, so the pants are a mess. They are 2 sizes too big. I don't get this. Look how long this crotch is. Like it's up almost to my bra. Okay, this is the, and I'm not even hiking them up. This is some serious mom jeans here, and they're just way too big. So I'm having a hard time judging them. I love the denim, I love the wash. They're my Madewell, and so I know that they're good. The length I can't really judge because I don't know what they would be in the correct size. So I think they'd be like a little bit shorter, which I think that's cute. They're straight legs. They're really stretchy and really comfortable. Just the sizing's off, and I'm not sure that these mom jeans are made for this mom. All right, let me go try on the next outfit. I'll be right back. Okay, so in my last Stitch Fix video, there was a white V-neck t-shirt that I was in love with. It was like $70. It was a ridiculous price for just a plain white t-shirt. And so here is a plain black t-shirt that I'm kind of in love with. I cannot stop thinking about that white one. But I love this. It's not a V-neck. It's like this rounded neck that's so cute. It has a little pocket. I think it fits really well. It's nothing special, but it fits, right? It's cute. So as you know, it depends on the price, because you can get a little black t-shirt with a pocket, you know, at a lot of places for really good prices. So I'm gonna be real critical because it's just a black t-shirt, but it is real cute. And I've been dreaming about that white one. Like, I need some t-shirts. So, okay. I think this is Caslon, but we'll see what the price is. Okay, speaking of prices, you know my cheap butt will not spend, I don't know if you guys will be able to see it with the light. It's called Bright Star, and it's like just like a little star in a circular pendant. And it's a cute little necklace. I don't know the price yet, and I'm real cheap when it comes to jewelry. So even though that's really cute and I could use a cute little necklace like that, we'll see what the price is. All right, let me go try on the next outfit. All right, so here's the dress, and I have mixed feelings about it. It is super soft and has a really nice stretch to it, and it's kind of sweatshirt material, but thin. Would be comfortable for lounging, great for fall, put it on with a white denim jacket. I think it's maybe a little too big for me, or maybe it could just be tailored a little bit differently. I feel like I lose all my shape in it. So I love the slits up the leg, and I like the heather to it, but I just don't think it does that much for me. The V-neck's cute, but it could be, it could be a little bit more flattering without being tight. What do you guys think? Let me know what you think about this one. I don't dislike it. I like everything about it, except I just think it doesn't do anything for me. It's not that interesting, but let me know what you think. I have one more thing to try on. I'll be right back. Okay, Trunk Club killed it with the pandemic wardrobe, this box. This is the best outfit yet though. It's jammies. Super stretchy. Things are long, but I love my jammies with long feet and long arms, and they just fits comfy. It's t-shirt soft material. It's got this, it's gray with like this really pretty silky pink piping. It depends on the price, because you know I could be living in this, and I may be living in it for months to come, or months from now. Let me get my regular clothes on, let me get the prices, and we'll see what we got, because it matters. I'll be right back. All right, let's talk about prices. So let's also agree that when we're talking about things being too expensive, it's not about whether we can afford it or not, it's whether we value it enough to spend the money. Because I know you all will drop easily over $100, $150 on a really great pair of jeans, but you won't spend $30 on a t-shirt you get at Target for $10 or $15, $20. So it's about value. Every once in a while I get comments like, if you can't afford it, don't get it, get a cheaper box. It's not about that, unfortunately. It's not about that, it's about what we value and what we want to spend our money on. So if it makes us feel good and we love it, we're gonna be willing to spend more for it. So I just get this weird comment sometimes, I'm like, it's not really about that, but okay. So first thing, this dress is by Paige. It is $120, $119.20. My goodness, I'm not sure it's worth that for me anyways. Soft, comfy, lovely. I think it just isn't what I need right now, and the fit was a little bit off. So, all right, you're soft. Okay, the next was the black jeans by Madewell, and they are such a great price. They're on sale for $57.50, and actually I think I saw something about them going down in price, but I didn't know what they were. So That's such a great price for Madewell jeans. Unfortunately, they're way too big for me and the cut was off. So those will go back. All right, tell me what you think about the Free People white Flutter sleeve shirt. It's $48. I wanna like it, but I just think it's like so floppy. And tell me what you think. Was it worth it? I did put it on with my skinny jeans and it was much cuter. I'm just still not sure it was the one. Okay, the Caslon black t-shirt is 25 bucks. You're going in the yes pile today, little black t-shirt. Okay, tell me what you think about this. The linen jacket, the olive one. I really like this. What do you think? The price, what did I see? $59.40. Worth it? That's a little borderline for me. I think it's really cute. Is it worth that? Tell me what you think. I'm on the fence. That's a maybe. Okay. The pajamas were $65. I would wear the heck out of those jammies. $65? Okay. I don't know yet on those ones. The burgundy sweater was so comfy, $69. So I would spend $69 on this lovely sweater. I'm not sure if I totally need it. I have 1,000 sweaters and I always make this mistake in the fall that I buy a bunch of sweaters and I buy a bunch of cardigans and then I pull all my sweaters out for the winter and I was like, oh wait, I already had 10 cardigans and 10 V-neck sweaters. So I better pull my sweaters out first, but that is really soft and lovely. I'm just not sure I need it yet. Okay, the Starburst necklace is only $25. I would spend $25 on that necklace. So cute. Yes, ma'am. Okay, so the Steve Madden shoes, which I already have a pair super similar to them, is $53.95. That's a great price. That's way better than the price I paid for mine. And then the Spanx are always around the same, 110. And I know the value for Spanx is there, like they're worth 110. I'm just not sure that style is quite right for me. So you'll have to let me know what you think on all this stuff. It's a lot. They always send so much. I'm really overwhelmed by it. I think Trunk Club did an awesome job sending casual stuff. We are in a pandemic and we need comfy, cotton, lovely, loungy clothes, and I think they killed it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to see more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and the bell to get notifications of whenever I post new videos. Thanks so much for watching.